The Apollo Conference is pushing back the basketball season, becoming the first league in our area to make the decision to postpone the season due to COVID-19 together. Individual districts are making that call across the viewing area, of course, but the Apollo's 8 schools move in unison, siding with the IDPH guidelines, not the IHSA. The move hasn't been formally announced to the public yet. This is a story we first broke online earlier tonight. Insurance is the big issue, with schools not likely to be covered for coronavirus issues, along with personal legal liability at stake for coaches and administrators. But one area school is moving